Hello guys, I would like to discuss VWAP today. It's probably one of the few indicators I use, and it's really good indicator because it can improve your strategy and winning rate on trades. So you can switch it on Win Bybit when you click here on indicators and you search VWAP. Okay, so it's here and it's a blue line. I made it blue. So this is daily VWAP. It resets every day when the new session starts at 12 GMT when Asia opens. And this is calculating it's volume based, so it's not lagging indicator, it's a real indicator, like live indicator. And you can have many nice trades based from VWAP. Also, you can judge trend. If we are above VWAP, we have bullish trend for the day. If we are below, then we are bearish. So it's many times it's inflection point, and when it's breached, you have strong market reaction. Okay. We can learn more in definition as well. So here's difference between moving average, because many people can judge it's similar, but it's not. VWAP is calculating the sum of price multiplied by volume divided by total volume. A simple moving average is calculated by summing up closing prices over a certain period and then dividing it by how many periods there have. Volume is not factored in. That's the biggest mistakes of moving averages, because the volume is very critical in trading. Yeah, you want to know. Okay. So how to apply it in trading, yeah? Today is 13th of March, and we just had all-time high breach. So and we are not close to VWAP. But as you can see, I already have some small position on VWAP in case we drop. Because in my experience, when we are so far away from VWAP and we go like violently down or like normal down, the first touch is always, there is always reaction, almost always, yeah. So I just want to buy. This is good risk trade for me. It's like a good reward ratio. On the other hand, if we were like here, somewhere down, and we slowly go up and reach VWAP, I would be looking to sell. It has many reasons, because there is the most volume, a lot of volume is here. A lot of big traders are waiting here to unload the position or open new positions. So, and a lot of traders are taking profit on VWAP as its target. Yeah, so you really can expect nice reaction. Yeah, you just want to see some reaction, like first before you take the trade, some rejection, okay? Or in case, you want to see like this. Like for example, for today, I would expect something like this. Like we go down, yeah, and we bounce, okay? I don't want to see something like this. Go down below it, and it's resistant and it's going down. No, I don't want to see that. I want to see first touch, then reaction, and then buy. So I have my invalidation point, stop loss somewhere here. Yeah, we always wait in reaction. You can place limits as me sometimes, but if you are on computer, you just place alerts and wait to see for reaction. Okay. And we can see on some days, this is why when I don't trade VWAP much, because on some days you can do a lot of fluctuations around it, so it's like washed, yeah. So it's not reacting very well, as you have a lot of trading here. So you see, there's not much good trading about it. Later on, it offered long position when we finally made some move. So a lot of traders were looking to buy on it, and it was really good buy. Since then, we just went up. And now we can see what is confluence, because when you add Fibonacci, you could see, it was not just VWAP, but we had Fibonacci there as well. So you had 2 points, two nice not indicators, just confluence. You had 2 confluences together. So your trade, your probability of trade is going much higher to be successful. Yeah. So you can use VWAP alone, but you want something else as well. We can look further. This was 12th of March. Yeah, this is what I love. You just want to go away from VWAP, like really, like $1,000. Yeah, like strong movement from VWAP. Then it's a big deviation for VWAP. Yeah. So when we reach it first time, you can expect reaction. It's like 80% chance. Yeah, there will be, and there was. Look, it was really precise and nice. How much? Yeah, 500 move at least. Yeah. I usually take profit from VWAP, maybe $300. First 300, 300 to earn for my stop loss, and then I leave rest run to another resistance. Yeah. You can now start to combine Fibonacci with VWAP, because you could see here was your take profit. Yeah, because Fibonacci is not used just for sales, but it can be your take profit, and as you can see, it really was take profit for many traders. You just want to see what others see, even big players. Yeah, when you start to see what they see, you will get many good trades. So only first stage is really like the best, and then as you can see, we return to the VWAP, and now we start to play around, and it's doing nothing. It's offering no good trades. So I always take first stage of VWAP for today, even better when we are far away from it and we are coming from far away to touch it. Yeah, and you see new day, the VWAP resets. Okay, so let's back to history. So it's offering 1-2 trades per day, sometimes even 3. And this was 12th of March. This was a special situation, because we had downtrend. So we should make a channel first, so this will help. You also need to look at VWAP as a region. Sometimes it's not exactly the number. Yeah, you have a fight there, so someone wants to push someone else with orders, but he can lose. So we had the local downtrend, and yeah, here was new day. Okay, here was new day. So we started, trading, and we went down to the VWAP. We went down. So the first stage of VWAP on VWAP was my sell. I was selling here, and we just went down and down. I took my first profit here to make money for my stop loss, and then I let rest of the trade run 1-to-1. So my take profit was here somewhere, and I was out of my trade. Okay, so I closed the position, and now we have another touch to VWAP. It's not reacting well. Okay, so it's not reacting well, so I was just waiting and looking, and no trade for me. So there was no trade for me here. I was waiting, and I already made the channel, because we have now two lower highs. So I prepared my channel. This was done from this point, and now I'm waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm still in no trade. You could buy here, like, I think I bought here. It was a just scalp. It was swing failure pattern, which I'll be doing video about it later. So I was buying here. My take profit was VWAP, and now we are touching, and we see strong reaction on 1 minute. So we couldn't be above even 30 seconds maybe. So that was a sell. Of course, that was a sell. So I just sold, yeah. And now we go down. It was really nice reaction. You book your money for stop loss and let rest of the trade run. Now you can see we have a channel as well. So the channel was a buy. It was just fake out. So when we bridge down, it took some stop losses, and now we are going up, and you are buying because we are returning to channel. And your stop loss, your take profit is again VWAP. So you take profit here. You can even see some people took profit, it went down, but it then went up. But then your channel, which was already connecting 2 points, the third stage is like very, very probable trade for sell. So you are selling here without doubt. Stop loss somewhere here. And you are going down. Even when we breached VWAP, we had like stronger resistance above. So that's why you want to combine tools with your trading. You don't want that just looking on VWAP, yeah. Because without this, you can think yourself, oh, we're going up, but we are not. There's still a channel there. So there was a sell here, even better when we are under VWAP. So it confirms trend is down again. We have one more touch. So if there is someone without trade, he can sell because it can go again through VWAP and down. So in that day, you had maybe 2-3 trades from VWAP. Really high probable trades, very small stop loss, and huge reaction. I'm always looking for trades with like maybe stop loss is like this, and the potential profit is few times more. That's what you want to do. Okay, we can go back again. So we did this day, 12th of March. We can look for 11th of March. Okay, it's just adjusting for the day. Nice. Where is the start of the day? Zero, yeah, here. This is the start of the day. So here we are starting at VWAP, and we just trade around the VWAP, so there is no clear trade. I would not take even no buy here. It's just nothing. Okay, so we are under VWAP, so trend is very temporary down. And I think I might sold here, so short, because it was first stage on VWAP after some time. It was nice reaction, yeah, so we booked some profits. And later on, at 10 a.m. the trend changed. It was like here was a bottom, and we are going slowly up, and we breached VWAP. So, and it seems like strong breach. Okay, there is some volume. It's not the best, but there is some volume. And you see it's not going down below, so it's not playing around like here. So you might think for yourself, we changed trend because it's looking like this. Okay, lower high, higher high, lower lows. Okay. So trend is really nice. It's going up. You can enter with your FIPS, as always. Here was a buy, yeah. It was a buy, and we went away from VWAP. We really went away. Maybe how much? Yes, almost $2,000 we went away from VWAP, which is really far away for today. So you can expect when we will be returning to VWAP from so far away, there will be buy, there will be a reaction. Many shorts will book profit, and many longs who wants to enter and missed the overall trend will be buying. So, and again, it was very clean. So sometimes entries on VWAP are so clean, you can enter, your stop loss is so small. So sometimes I take big trades on VWAP because my loss can be really limited. Yeah. So there was no breach even on 1 minute. It was just little touch. So you can play some limits, yeah, and you go up. So it was your chance to enter the trade uptrend. So VWAP is sometimes the best chance how to enter nice uptrend or downtrend. Many traders just waiting for VWAP. Yeah, so you want to wait too if you missed early trade. March. So let's check 10th of March. Okay, here is 10th of March. It was Asia Open. We had a nice fake move from Asia boys. They just pumped the market and then it was dumped without correction, so it was really nasty. I think I had some losses here. I was maybe buying some strong levels, but they did not react. But in the end, we stopped on other technical levels. Okay, so we are really far away from VWAP, and we reached VWAP. And there was some selling on there, but it was not so strong enough, yeah. So it was just only a small position, small reaction. $200 drop, yeah. So in that case, you could just earn for your stop loss. So, but trade would be lost trade. So you could earn for stop loss, and if it's going above this high, you could close at 0, so no loss for you. But it was bad trade, yeah. Because buyers are very strong, so they just want to, and they swapped the market. So now we are above, and we retested the VWAP, and it's going up. So if you see nice retest, and it's holding, then you know the trend changed. Yeah. So really higher lows and higher highs. And as we change the trend, VWAP is your support now. So you could buy here again. And you probably had some Fibonacci there, so yes. You had Fibs there, so yeah, double confluence. So if you combine VWAP with Fibonacci, sometimes it can give you, really good trades. And now trend is so strong, it's not gonna even touch it. Yeah, 9 p.m. we had touch, and it was again clean touch. You could buy big position and not big, but stop loss is very tight, so you can open bigger position than average. And the reaction was really good. More than $1,500. So those trades are really, really, profitable. So it was nice trending day. The worst enemy of VWAP is range and small range, because then the price is just playing around, not giving you good trades. Like this, yeah, we will see. So let's check one more day for VWAP. It's here. 9th of March, okay. So we had just immediate pump after open. Very strong pump. We went really far away from VWAP. More than $1,000 from high. So again, really strong uptrend, really far away from VWAP. So you try to buy first touch. As we see, it was not exact as before, but it was the region, and people were buying, and they held it. And really good reaction. $1,000 reaction. Really, really good for scalp. It's like 1 hour passed and you have a $1,000 rise. It's really good. And again, we have one clean touch on VWAP, and it was your buy. It was even stronger reaction, and clean and really fast. 20 minutes and you got nice profits. Then we have another. It was very close, but I can consider it as touch. So again, reaction. And now we had, it was breached, but just shortly, as it's 1 minute. So on 3-minute charts or 5-minute charts, it's not even breached, it's just weak. So another buy, another buy. So some days it's working like, it's, you know, it's working so much. So you should definitely watch it. It's working more than it's not working. So I just wanna check in history, because there are some days when you have a lot of washing around, it's not working well. So yeah, for example, here we went far away from VWAP, so you were trying to sell here, but it was not working, you know. So you just exit the position with loss, and you see the uptrend is building, so you instead buy here, and you go up with the trend. Yeah. Or here, see, it's really hard to trade here. You can sell, you know, but it's really small trades and you're waiting a lot here. So it's not working all the time, but you know, I would say 70% of time it's really good. It's offering good trades if it's not too much compressed range of the day. So this is your daily VWAP. It can offer you daily trades. It's like guaranteed trades you have when you got there, and then you can turn on weekly VWAP or monthly VWAP here on Bybit. It's not supported, but you can turn it on in TradingView. And this is, you know, I use weekly VWAP. This is absolutely fantastic, you know, as well, to look here and place alerts. Because, for example, here, you see, this is where the new month started. No, here, yeah, not here. Week, sorry. Yeah, so first day they are together, the weekly and daily, and then the weekly starts to separate. So if you are trading on higher time frames, 50 minutes, you can see, you can use weekly VWAP. It's offering you, it's a really strong support in uptrends or downtrends, yeah. We didn't even touch it here, but I usually take positions if we are so close. I don't care about $100. I just place my, maybe you opened half position here and half here, but you try to catch, because many people front run it. Yeah, I like here as well. People want to jump in, you know, they don't leave you touch it. And so you open half position here, at least then you know you will participate on the move. Here again, nice reaction. So this was really close, like nice trade. Okay, this is, we went far away. This is February. Now you see the weekly VWAP was resistance. We went just above, but then we went down. You can see here. This was deviation. It was just taking stops and maybe taking some resistance. We went down anyway. You don't touch weekly VWAP many times per month or week. So when it's touching, you should take the trade. We are just somewhere above it, you know. It's really useful when we have strong weak move. Usually can be like very helpful. So you see here from 16th of February, to 21, it was not touched even once because trend was much stronger than even to go to the VWAP. So you use daily VWAP for those trades. Okay, and then I have monthly VWAP. We can show monthly VWAP on a much cleaner chart, so you can see the reactions. Also, you said how you want to see the VWAP. Here, session is daily, same like Bybit, and here you have weekly, monthly, year. Year can be used as well in case Bitcoin drops 10,000. Like big nasty drop, sometimes they can happen. And yearly VWAP is like super strong, like support. So let's go monthly. Yeah, it's not even on the chart. Okay, let's do maybe 30 minutes. This is for higher time frame traders as well. Or yeah, trend is now so strong we are far away from it. We had entered, we were not close to it, yeah, but it was like $150, very close. So you could enter if you see some traders buying already, then you could enter. It was really close. It was probably some stronger level there. Maybe Fibonacci people were not waiting for VWAP. Yes, 0.5. Okay. This is more like region. It's not exact because it's really a long term. Like 1 month is really a lot of volume. So it's region, and when you have downtrend and you try to sell here, it takes time. It's not like daily VWAP where you see instant reaction, 1 minute candles, yeah. Here we went down, yes. But then above and trend was... Yes, you had the sales here because you had downtrend. It can be nice resistance or support. Here it was washed, so you could not trade this. If you already see something like this, like you can't trade it, so you ignore it until the more clarity is on the market. But this was really interesting, yeah. It's not looking that big on chart, but it's really... We had big drop. We had a drop from 53,000 to 47,000, and it was so close to monthly VWAP. So again, it was front run by traders. But it should be your entry, you know, if you are so close. So in case very violent moves are coming to the market, then monthly VWAP is super nice entry. You always watch it. Because when you have small movements, you watch small charts like 1 minute, 5 minutes. But when you have big movements, you just zoom out to 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart or 1 hour chart, and you watch those more long-term indicators. And look here, there was even no touch. Super strong trend. Here, maybe 1 touch. Yeah. Yeah, so this is VWAP. Really, really good tool. And today we are so far from it. So in case we get big drop, I will be buying for sure. I will be buying like 100%, yeah. Deviation is just too big. So always watch VWAP and always watch for some confirmation. Ideally you want just clean bounce. That's the best for you. Okay, that's the best reaction you want to see. What you don't want to see is like this, yeah, playing around. Then probability of your trade is going down. And you also don't want to see this like losing VWAP instantly. Then it's making itself resistance and down. So no trade as well. Always wait for confirmation. Okay, so that's it from me about VWAP, and thank you very much for listening, and good luck with your trades. Bye.